India, a country of diverse cultures, rich traditions, and a storied history, stands as a testament to the magnificence of human civilization. From its ancient roots to its vibrant modernity, India encapsulates a tapestry of customs, languages, religions, and landscapes that have fascinated the world for centuries. Geographically, India spans a vast expanse, from the snow-capped Himalayas in the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, and from the deserts of the west to the lush forests in the east. Its varied terrain not only contributes to the scenic beauty, but also plays a significant role in shaping the country's cultural, economic, and ecological diversity. One of the most notable aspects of India is its incredible history. It is a land where ancient civilizations flourished, leaving behind architectural marvels like the intricate carvings of Ajanta and Ellora caves, the majestic forts and palaces of Rajasthan, and the symbol of eternal love, the Taj Mahal. The land is steeped in the wisdom of thinkers like Mahatma Gandhi, whose principles of non-violence and civil disobedience shaped the nation's struggle for independence. India's history is not just about the past. It is a living, breathing entity that permeates daily life. Its festivals, such as Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, and many others, are vibrant celebrations of its cultural diversity. Each festival, steeped in mythology and tradition, brings people together, transcending boundaries of caste, creed, and religion. The country's diversity is perhaps most evident in its people. India is a melting pot of ethnicities, languages, and traditions. With over 1.3 billion people, it hosts a multitude of languages and cultures. Hindi might be the official language, but the country boasts a staggering 22 officially recognized languages and thousands of dialects. From the industrious Punjabis in the north to the peace-loving Keralites in the south, from the tech-savvy professionals in cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad to the cultural connoisseurs in Kolkata, India's people represent a kaleidoscope of traditions and ways of life. India's contemporary face is dynamic and fast-paced. The country has emerged as a global economic powerhouse, boasting a burgeoning IT sector, a rapidly growing middle class, and a thriving startup ecosystem. Indian scientists, engineers, and entrepreneurs are making remarkable contributions in various fields, from space exploration to healthcare and the arts to renewable energy. However, amid this progress, India grapples with challenges. Socio-economic disparities, poverty, inadequate healthcare facilities, and environmental concerns are some of the pressing issues that the nation faces. The government and various organizations are working tirelessly to address these challenges and pave the way for a more inclusive and sustainable future. Cuisine in India is a celebration of flavors. Each region boasts its unique dishes, spices, and culinary traditions. From the fiery curries of the south to the mouth-watering kebabs of the north, from the delectable sweets of the east to the savory snacks of the west, Indian cuisine is a gastronomic delight. In art and culture, India's contribution to the world is immense. Its classical dances like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, and others are graceful expressions of storytelling. Indian music, from the classical melodies of Ravi Shankar to the pulsating rhythms of Bollywood, reflects a rich heritage. Indian literature, with epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, and the works of Tagore, R.K. Narayan, Arundhati Roy, and many others, is a treasure trove of wisdom and imagination. The spirituality and philosophy that India offers are unparalleled. Home to several religions, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and others, India embraces a multitude of faiths and beliefs. From the sacred waters of the Ganges to the spiritual aura of Varanasi, from the majestic temples of Khajuraho to the serene mosques of Fatehpur Sikri, spirituality is ingrained in the very fabric of Indian society. India's natural beauty is awe-inspiring. From the tranquil backwaters of Kerala to the majestic peaks of the Himalayas, from the breathtaking landscapes of Kashmir to the sun-drenched beaches of Goa, the country offers a diverse and breathtaking panorama. India is not just a country, it's an experience. Its ancient roots intertwine with its modern aspirations, and its cultural richness is a source of inspiration for the world. The country's journey from a glorious past to an ambitious future embodies resilience, adaptability, and an unwavering spirit that continues to captivate all who explore its wonders. India is a land of contrasts, colors, and contradictions, where the past meets the present, and where diversity is not a challenge, but a celebration of life in all its magnificence. India's economy is a complex amalgamation of traditional practices, modern industries, and a rapidly growing service sector. As one of the world's largest economies, India has a diverse economic landscape, with a mix of agriculture, manufacturing, and services contributing to its GDP. Agriculture has been a traditional backbone of the Indian economy, employing a significant portion of the population. Despite its declining share in GDP, agriculture remains crucial for the livelihoods of a vast number of people. The country produces a wide variety of crops, from rice, wheat, and sugarcane to spices, tea, and cotton. Government initiatives, technological advancements, and improvements in infrastructure are aimed at boosting agricultural productivity and ensuring food security for the nation. The manufacturing sector has also played a pivotal role in India's economy. From textiles and garments to automobiles, pharmaceuticals, and electronics, India has a diverse manufacturing base. The Make in India initiative, launched to promote manufacturing, aims to boost domestic production, create jobs, and position India as a global manufacturing hub. However, the most significant growth in recent years has been witnessed in the service sector. Information technology, IT, and business process outsourcing (BPO) industries have been instrumental in India's economic growth. Cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune have emerged as IT hubs, attracting major global corporations and fostering innovation. The country's software services, engineering, and research and development capabilities have contributed significantly to its economic transformation. India's economic growth rate has fluctuated over the years. While it experienced a period of robust growth averaging around 7-8% annually in the 2000s and early 2010s, there have been fluctuations due to various factors, including global economic conditions, domestic policy changes, and structural reforms. Challenges persist within the Indian economy. Income inequality, access to quality education and healthcare, infrastructural gaps, bureaucratic hurdles, and regulatory complexities are some of the issues that the country grapples with. Furthermore, unemployment and underemployment, particularly among the youth, remain significant concerns. The government has been implementing various initiatives and reforms to address these challenges and stimulate economic growth. Key reforms like the Goods and Services Tax, GST, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, IBC, and initiatives to improve ease of doing business have been introduced to streamline processes and attract investment. Foreign direct investment, FDI, in India has also been on the rise, driven by the country's growing consumer market, skilled workforce, and market-friendly policies. The government's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India initiative, aims to promote self-sufficiency, innovation, and indigenous production in key sectors while also engaging with the global market. The COVID-19 pandemic posed a significant challenge to India's economy, causing disruptions across sectors. The government responded with fiscal and monetary measures to support businesses, provide relief to the vulnerable, and stimulate economic recovery. India's economy is a complex tapestry of traditional and modern sectors, facing a multitude of challenges and opportunities. As the country navigates through these complexities, it continues to strive for sustainable and inclusive growth, leveraging its diverse strengths and working towards a more prosperous future for its people. India boasts one of the world's largest and most diverse military forces, shaped by a rich history and contemporary geopolitical challenges. The Indian Armed Forces comprise the Army, Navy, Air Force, and various paramilitary forces. Indian Army. The Indian Army, the land-based branch, is one of the largest armies globally in terms of active personnel, It is responsible for land-based operations including defense, border security, and counterinsurgency. The Army has a rich tradition and diverse regiments, each with its unique history, culture, and expertise. Its formidable reputation stems from its strength, training, and experience in varied terrains, including the harsh mountainous regions, deserts, and tropical landscapes. Indian Navy. The Indian Navy, tasked with safeguarding the country's maritime interests, is a potent force in the Indian Ocean region. With a mix of surface ships, submarines, aircraft carriers, and maritime aircraft, the Navy focuses on securing sea lanes, conducting naval exercises, and maintaining regional stability. It plays a critical role in ensuring the security of vital sea routes and protecting against maritime threats. Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is among the world's most technologically advanced air forces. It is equipped with a variety of aircraft, including fighters, transport planes, helicopters, and reconnaissance aircraft. The IAF plays a crucial role in ensuring air superiority, safeguarding national airspace, and supporting ground and naval operations. It also engages in humanitarian missions and disaster relief efforts. Paramilitary forces. India also has various paramilitary forces like the Border Security Force, BSF, Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, and others. These forces operate under the Ministry of Home Affairs and are responsible for border security, counter-terrorism, maintaining internal security, and supporting law enforcement. Nuclear capabilities. India is one of the few countries known to possess nuclear weapons and has a declared nuclear doctrine based on a no-first-use policy. This nuclear capability is managed by the Strategic Forces Command and serves as a deterrent against potential threats. Modernization and collaborations. The Indian military has been actively modernizing its forces, investing in indigenous defense production, and acquiring advanced defense technologies. It collaborates with various countries, including the United States, Russia, Israel, France, and others, for defense equipment, joint military exercises, and technology transfers. Challenges and regional dynamics. The Indian military faces various challenges, including border disputes with neighboring countries, particularly with Pakistan and China. The line of control with Pakistan and the line of actual control with China are sensitive areas that require constant vigilance and strategic preparedness. Humanitarian efforts. Apart from defense and security roles, the Indian Armed Forces have also been at the forefront of humanitarian and disaster relief operations, both within the country and in the region. They play a significant role in providing aid during natural disasters and crises, earning them widespread admiration and respect. The Indian military stands as a formidable force, equipped with a diverse range of capabilities and personnel. Its commitment to national security, modernization efforts, and contributions to humanitarian causes highlight its multifaceted role in shaping India's place in the global geopolitical landscape. Indian cuisine is a gastronomic journey that reflects the country's rich heritage, diverse cultures, and a symphony of flavors. It is renowned worldwide for its aromatic spices, vibrant colors, and a wide array of dishes that vary from region to region. Flavors and ingredients. At the heart of Indian cooking are spices. A blend of spices, known as masalas, is the key to creating the distinctive taste of Indian dishes. Common spices include cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and garam masala, each lending its unique flavor and fragrance. These spices are used to create complex and aromatic dishes that range from mildly spiced to fiery hot, catering to diverse palates. Regional diversity. Indian cuisine is incredibly diverse, with each region offering its unique culinary traditions. In the north, Mughlai cuisine showcases rich and creamy dishes like biryani, kebabs, and kormas. The western state of Gujarat offers a vegetarian fare with dishes like dokla and thepla. South Indian cuisine features rice-based dishes such as dosas, idlis, and sambar, often accompanied by coconut-based curries. In the east, Bengal's cuisine focuses on fish curries and sweets like rasgulla and sandesh. Punjab, in the north, is famous for its tandoori dishes and rich gravies, vegetarian and non-vegetarian delights. India is a paradise for vegetarians. With a rich cultural tradition of vegetarianism, there's an extensive range of vegetarian dishes that are as varied and flavorful as their non-vegetarian counterparts. Lentils, pulses, vegetables, and dairy products are staples in vegetarian cooking. Non-vegetarian dishes often feature chicken, lamb, goat, fish, and occasionally beef in certain regions, prepared in a multitude of ways from succulent curries to tandoori grills, bread and rice varieties. Indian cuisine offers a wide array of bread and rice dishes. Roti, naan, paratha, puri, and chapati are popular bread varieties, each unique to different regions and made in various ways. Rice is a staple in the southern and eastern regions, often served with a variety of curries and accompaniments, sweets and desserts. Indian desserts are a delightful finale to any meal. They vary from syrupy, milk-based sweets like gulab jamun, jalebi, and rasgulla to more elaborate treats like halwa, kheer, rice pudding, and barfi. The use of ingredients like ghee, clarified butter, milk, and sugar brings out the richness and sweetness of these delectable desserts. Street food culture. India is famous for its street food culture, offering a variety of savory and spicy snacks that are flavorful and often inexpensive. From chaats like pani puri and bhel puri to kebabs, samosas, and vada pav, the streets of Indian cities are a paradise for food enthusiasts. Culinary influence and global adaptation. Indian cuisine has traveled the world, influencing global culinary trends. Indian restaurants abroad often serve popular dishes like chicken tikka masala, butter chicken, and various vegetarian curries adapted to suit local tastes. Indian cuisine is a celebration of diverse flavors, aromas, and traditions. It's a testament to the country's cultural richness and culinary expertise, making it a culinary experience that's as vibrant and diverse as the nation itself.